decided to come to Houston and to help out down here. And Mira's like, well, maybe we should get a trailer.
Yeah.
I'm like, a trailer? And then we started realizing if we're gonna fill up a trailer with the stuff bringing down here to Houston,
I also fill it all the way.
we might as well see if people want to help us fill that trailer up. And thank you. We didn't have any plans on filming.
Yes. But since you guys have been donating so much, we feel like we should like show you guys what you're doing to help us. So we wanna so this first episode is going to be
Just us.
a journey.
Right? So we went to Houston. We went to the U-Haul place to get a trailer.
Yes, we went to the U-Haul place.
Hey guys, it's Mirako and I'm with my family and we are picking up a U-Haul right now. We decided yesterday that we are gonna pack this thing with as many diapers and pads and Tampax and water and cleaning supplies as we can and drive it to Houston and help out.
Yes, if you give only $30, that'll pay for 200 pack of diapers and $15 supports a pack of tampons. So any small amount is perfect.
Thank you more than anything for praying and just helping us load this trailer.
We just got the trailer from U-Haul, and now we are headed into Costco. Well, at Costco, still we got a lot of water, 48 bottles. Check out my long list of stuff. We're headed to, well, first we're gonna go fill up the back.
The diapers are out at all the Costco's. And then he also said to get like a container at Home Depot, like a 5-gallon, and fill it up with gas and put it in the trailer. Because he said a lot of people he sees making that mistake is that they're not finding gas as they get closer.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much!
Well,
All right,
I think we need to get more stuff.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I think we need more stuff.
Start.
It's a great start.
Let's get more
It's a great
though.
start.
All right.
Okay.
I thought
You're gonna ride in the back, Blaze?
Can I?
Okay. Beth, you hold that for me? It's filming right now.
I'm glad that we got the cover thing.
Okay.
All right, on the road.
We are heading out to Houston.
Houston strong.
We got the trailer full of stuff. We got our car full of us and our stuff.
We even have a camping stove. We're not sure where we're sleeping. We're not sure where we're sleeping tonight, but we're the adventure family. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out when we get there. We got sleeping bags though, a camping stove, and so I'm sure that it'll work itself out. But we're just excited to finally be on the road, and we're gonna see if we can pick up more and more diapers along the way as people keep donating. So it's awesome.
This is so funny. The closer we are now to, we're a little closer to Houston now, and we were a little nervous about getting gasoline.
We're just a hop and a skip away.
hop, skip, and a jump. I've been teasing her about that. She goes, a hop and a skip from here. I'm like, it's not a hop and a skip. It's a hop and a jump, honey.
Yeah, I say hop and skip.
No, you. Oh my gosh, my family.
No.
So embarrassing.
No.
No, it's hop, skip, and a jump, guys.
I've never heard that saying before, so.
I'm not here to talk about hops and skips or hop, skips, and jumps. I'm here to talk about gasoline. Because there,
right here.
literally when we were in Dallas, there is no gasoline. All the gas stations are out of gasoline. Or what are we, an hour or two out of Dallas? And there's gas everywhere. The news totally blew it out of proportion about a fuel shortage. And so everybody ran out and filled up their tanks and they bought gas cans and things. I'm just here to tell you all, there's plenty of gasoline. Ready to go. We're here, we're going to Walmart. I guess all the Costco's are out of diapers, so we're gonna hopefully buy a bunch of diapers here at Walmart in Enos.
I'm pretty sure you said.
These are so. Yeah. Oh, and then here's Okay, so that's 5 size 6. Okay. We got diapers.
Nice job, ladies.
We did it.
Did it, it's looking good. Diapers. All ground floor is basically all water. What is this? About $2,500 worth of. All right, we did it. We got diapers.
Yes, we got like $600 worth of diapers, and it was crazy because it's been really hard to find diapers, but that's a good thing because I guess they're all getting bought up by pallets and being sent down to Houston, and so it's not a bad thing that we can't find diapers, but I'm
No.
glad we found some and we can get them down there. It's pretty cool. All the donations that are coming in are helping us literally fill this trailer. It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's amazing we stopped here because there aren't too many grocery stores apparently between where we're at in Ennis, something or rather, and Houston. It's the map says we're 3 hours away, so we'll find out if it's actually 3 hours or longer. How's that lock coming, Blaze?
I don't know. I don't know how to use this.
Voila.
Go.
Wait.
Hey.
All right, here we go.
Well, I think that we...
It says it's about 3 hours still, I think.
With you, didn't you?
Where shall we start? All right. And that's great. Yeah, thanks. Okay, now we got food. Back on the road. What are you saying, babe? No, I think you bring up a good point. It's like you told us places that some places are underwater and some aren't.
No, I'm just saying that all these photos that we've been seeing on the news, it looks like part of the freeway is covered with water, and so
Yeah.
I don't know like how far we can actually get into Houston. So should we stay somewhere outside of it, or I don't know.
Okay, so where to stay and the fact they're coming in at night when it's darker,
Yeah, yeah.
as opposed to
We still don't know where we're staying tonight.